All right, I'm back with a little update on these brackets for the foot pedal assembly on the P-39 Airacobra. Here's the original bracket. Painted, old, in good condition other than this ear that broke off from right here. So here are the two new ones. Started on today. I got the ears cut. This ear, this ear. I've got that ear spacing at my 1.25 inches. It's fairly square the whole way up. So next time I come in, this joint will be welded right there. And then the next step after that will be to get this hole machined out in this piece. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next update video tomorrow or the next day. I don't know when, whenever I feel like coming in.